I'm from northern Wisconsin, so I like to sleep cool. My husband Carl's the devil, so he likes to sleep hot.
Oh, I'm not the devil, babe. I'm a devil.
But you're my devil. Who's my devil?
I'm your devil.
Still, we fight a lot because I get too hot and Carl gets too cold. So either we fight over the thermostat or I have to cast him out to the couch. Get Carl!
Laura.
Get me to the couch! Even if you're not married to the spawn of Satan, over half of couples disagree on bedroom sleep temperature. I've tried everything. Bedroom fans just dry out my eyes without cooling me under the covers, and most mattresses get me hot and sweaty. Some companies paint them blue and call it cooling technology, but those guys are just Carl's marketing friends from hell.
Classic.
We spend a third of our lives in bed. Why can't it be comfortable? Introducing BedJet, the world's first rapid cooling and heating system just for your bed. With BedJet's patented air-driven technology, you can cool down or warm up on either side of the bed. Whether you like to sleep hot or cold, you can customize BedJet to your preferences. BedJet works instantly, and you can control it from your phone, tablet, or remote control. It's the kind of spooky witchcraft Carl goes crazy for.
Oh, how am I doing this?
Wow, Carl.
Babe, no, look.
Yeah, I said it's a lifesaver. Before we got our BedJet, we were this close to splitting up.
What?
Oh, from our old bed.
Oh.
Because we'd be divorced. Only BedJet solves the real problem, humidity. Just like humidity makes weather feel hotter, humidity makes your bed feel hotter. And beds trap body humidity like a middle school locker room, making you feel hotter, unlike a middle school locker room. Luckily, the BedJet's quiet cooling system circulates fresh air between the sheets, instantly wicking away sweat. Just look at BedJet versus a cooling technology mattress. With BedJet, you can go from hot and steamy to cool and fresh in 30 seconds. Or if you get too cold, the BedJet circulates warm air everywhere, making your sheets feel toasty like they just came out of the dryer. In fact, BedJet heats your bed 10 times faster than an electric blanket.
I've died and gone to hell.
BedJet is the best solution for cold feet.
I still don't want a baby.
Not like that, Carl.
Not ready to be a dad.
And when the BedJet quietly streams air into the patented BedJet cloud sheet, you'll feel like you're literally sleeping in a cloud. Okay, maybe not literally. So if you care about sleep, which is why some people buy beds, click the link above to get a BedJet today. Cooling technology mattresses are like children. They cost thousands of dollars and hardly work. The BedJet costs a fraction of that price and always works.
Like stepchildren.
Plus, it's silky quiet and so sleek, it fits right under your bed. You won't even notice it's there.
Like stepchildren.
You're like a cat. And if you get night sweats, check out the sweat test. BedJet dries over 8 times more sweat than a cooling mattress. BedJet is the first device ever that's clinically proven to relieve bedtime symptoms of menopause, like poor sleep and hot flashes. Now the only hot flasher in this house is my husband. Put some pants on, Carl!
Why? It's Tuesday.
Is that when you think pants should come off? Whether you want a BedJet alone or with a partner. Every BedJet comes with a no-sweat guarantee. Try it risk-free for 60 days. Free shipping. If you don't love it, send it back for a full refund and free return shipping. It's pure heaven. Not again! It's a metaphor, Carl! Carl, it's a metaphor! Get down! No! It's fine. We're fine. Thanks to BedJet, Carl and I are getting a full night's sleep and a full day's living. BedJet is the highest rated mattress product on Amazon, with 89% of customers giving it 5 stars.
The other 11% are from hell.
So buy a BedJet today.
Or steal one.
Instantly remind you if you've left your wallet behind.
You forgot your wallet.
I forgot my wallet. See, and the Leaf is smart. So when this happens, this happens. Bing bong, bing bong.
We will notify you and even drop a pin in your Google Maps where your wallet was last within range, and provide you their contact info so you can call the place and tell them to hold it for you.
What if you just misplaced your wallet at home? Before Leaf, this is what happened. But with Leaf, things are much easier, almost fun.
Kids.
And you can program Leaf to notify you when your wallet is a certain distance away. That way it isn't constantly going off at home, but might be more sensitive when you're out and about.
That dude's hat was dope, right? You didn't even know he was a handsy Houdini. Thief!
You won't have to charge the Leaf often, but when you do, it's super easy. Leaf charges wirelessly, and you don't even have to take it out of your wallet.
I love my laptop. I rely on it every day, and I take it everywhere. But ergonomically, laptops are not ideal. The longer we spend on them, the more we hunch, leading to tension or pain in our neck, shoulders, and back.
Which is why we've designed the Tiny Tower, a portable and height-adjustable laptop stand. The Tiny Tower allows you to set up and get to work in no time, whether it's at the office, at home, in a cafe, or wherever. It has an elegant design which integrates beautifully with your laptop, helping you work comfortably and protect your posture.
I suffered a serious disc herniation in my neck after hunching over my laptop for too long. I realised that a lot of existing products don't really solve the problem, and they're not something I'd want on my desk. So as an industrial designer, I decided to create a product that laptop users would be proud to own.
The Tiny Tower has a clever push-button mechanism that adjusts your laptop screen to a height that suits you. There are 10 different height levels available.
When you're done, it takes seconds to fold down flat into a compact and lightweight unit that you can take anywhere.
It's compatible with both Mac and Windows laptops from 11 to 15 inches in size. Your laptop sits firmly and securely on a non-slip grip. Or, for added security, the Tiny Tower has fingers you can extend.
We've also created a high-quality zipped nylon pouch to carry your Tiny Tower, keyboard and mouse. We've been working on this project for over 18 months. During development, we tested 7 different prototypes to get every detail just right. We wanted to find the perfect balance of functionality and simplicity, and to create something you'd be proud to own and use.
We decided on aluminium as the main material because it's strong, lightweight and durable. The aluminium is precision cut, bead blasted and anodized to give that lustrous semi-matte finish.
Today, most of us spend too much time indoors and glued to one screen or another. The result is a growing population with poor or degrading eyesight. More children are suffering from nearsightedness than ever before, impacting their happiness and their ability to learn. Now, there's an easy, fun way for you to take control of your family's vision health. With IQ Insight, you can test visual acuity, or how close to 20/20 your vision is, anywhere, anytime. Rather than waiting for an annual exam or your child's next school screening, you can test your family's eyes and monitor vision changes in real time from the comfort and convenience of your home. To get started, launch the MyIQ app. Next, sign into your family member's individual profile. Attach the Insight goggles to your smartphone. The Insight test is gamified and fun for the whole family. Your child just follows the on-screen prompts.
Hey, look in the goggles. Can you see me? Hello out there.
And in a couple of minutes, you'll know who's seeing clearly or whose vision may need to be corrected with eyeglasses. You can also test how well your current glasses are performing. And kids love Seymour, the animated host, and his rewards.
And now, your new sticker. Let's take a look.
Insight test results are automatically captured and stored in the secure IQ Cloud, so you can access your account from anywhere. This makes it easy to track changes in your family's vision and share that information with your eye doctor. IQ Insight, the most accurate 20/20 visual acuity test on your smartphone.
Vortex is the first environmental simulator for all your favorite PC games, videos, and VR. Imagine feeling the heat of a flamethrower when you're playing Battlefield 1.
Got a great sense of the heat. It's interesting because it immediately makes you sweat, so it's really quick to immerse you into it. I know when an explosion is going to happen, I'm going to feel the flame, so I'm already scared about it happening. It makes the world more tangible, whatever I'm watching or playing. Like, it actually makes me more fearful. This is like flame that's going to hurt me, and it's amazing.
Through our hardware and software, the Vortex system is able to respond to any kind of stimulus on demand.
I would say the coolest thing is how fast it can switch between temperatures. So like watching the Shadow of Mordor and the ice part of the scene, and it switched to like the fire, and it kept switching. I was like, okay, this is actually really cool.
So what's exciting about Vortex is we're taking a large amount of input data in audiovisual format, and we get to turn that information into usable feedback that creates an elevated level of immersion for the users. It kind of caught me off guard after we started putting some of this work into play, because the unit was a blast to use. It was genuinely fun, and it is. It makes almost every piece of content that you consume better. It's just a whole lot of fun.
Oh my god! You feel like you're in the environment that you're watching or playing. The Vortex enables you to understand the atmosphere at another level. It gives you more sense and more attachment to what you're doing.
Seeing people having their face light up when they have that experience for the first time is like everything. Personal satisfaction of that is just amazing. We know there's a huge void in traditional gaming and video. That's why we started Whirlwind FX. We want to get it into your hands, the content creators, the gamers, VR enthusiasts, action lovers. Now with your support, we want to breathe life into your entertainment experience. Feeling is believing. Live the action.
Wherever life takes you, carry the perfect backup plan. The portable, versatile Talon by Tactica. Modern life presents challenges. Work, sports, adventures, small things can easily blow out and become big. Talon helps keep the small things small. Made with an advanced composite technology and world-first patent-pending design, the Talon packs 17 tools and features to match in a pocket-sized carry. It comes with metric and imperial wrenches and rulers, box cutter, bottle opener, and standard 1/4-inch Phillips and flathead hex drives. The Talon adapts to your life. Simply swap out the hex drives for your next adventure. Whether you need an Allen head through to Torx, the Talon holds 2 within its body. A flexible elastomer keeps the tools locked in place and ready when you need them. The original socket design allows your hand to be positioned as you would with a regular screwdriver, a feature that many pocket tools don't allow. The Talon is made of one of the world's most advanced composite materials, 40% lighter than titanium and the strength of die-cast metal. Plus, the material tech allows you to carry your Talon without fear of scratching your latest phone or tablet. The Talon can go anywhere you do, and it complies with current TSA requirements for air travel. The Australian designed, engineered and manufactured Talon multi-tool by Tactica. Compact enough to carry every day. Lightweight enough not to weigh you down. Heavy duty enough to get things done. Talon in your hand? Enough said.
I'm not sure what kind of witchery Juice did with this board. This is unreal. Oh my goodness.
This is AirBar. AirBar brings touch to your new or existing PC by projecting an invisible light field over the screen. And what's good about light is that it responds to pretty much anything. So you can sweep with your gloves or long fingernails, pinch with your chopsticks, scroll while you're cooking, or why not use a paintbrush? You get the idea. With AirBar, you get touch gestures when you need them. It's easy to attach, it's sleek, and you can unplug it when you want to. Best of all, there's no manual, no installation. It's plug and touch. It just works. AirBar. Plug and touch when you need it.
GoTele is a GPS tracker that uses long-range radio technology to create your own personal network that does not rely on cell service. Within your own network, you can communicate via text to others in your group. Even without a smart device, GoTele can still track and broadcast your location. And if in trouble, GoTele has an SOS button that will alert others in the group that help is needed. GoTele is a great addition to any outdoor activity. Get a GoTele today.
Hi there, my name is Liz. That's me over there, having a pretty one-sided conversation with a new robot suitcase called TravelMate. Oh wow! So if I wave my hand like that, it'll spin around. It's the coolest gadget that I've ever seen because it follows you around on its own just like a puppy. So it's basically a robot that carries your stuff for you. It even follows simple voice commands and it can go with you almost anywhere. And you can name it too. Bobby, follow me. If I need to go to work or fly somewhere, this little guy is there with me everywhere I go. Everything it does is so futuristic, and I can't wait for more people to check it out. It'll allow updates, so who knows what awesome things their team will add to TravelMate in the future. If you want one for yourself, and who doesn't, then you can order one right now.
They get to play around with that robot and make a cool video. Meanwhile, I'm stuck here cleaning up after their mess. Whatever, I'm buying one for myself too, but I'm going to get the blue one.